Hi, my name is Dean, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get R and RStudio set up on your Mac and PC. I'll be covering downloading R, downloading RStudio, running RStudio, and the final part, changing the theme in RStudio. So let's get started. So to download R, all you need to do is go to the link on the screen, and I also have it in the description. But to download for Windows, click on Download R for Windows. Then you'll be taken to this screen, which then you need to select Install R for the first time. And then you need to download what is the latest version, which is here is 4.1.2. And then that will give you the means to be able to actually save. It will start to download. And then once it's downloaded, I've sped it up here because it takes a while. Then you can install it. So select your language and click OK, then click Next. So keep clicking Next until you get to the point where it starts to install. For Mac, all you need to do is download the version that fits your operating system and then keep clicking through continue, and then it will start to download and then it will be ready for you to use. Now you downloaded R, now you can start to download RStudio. All you need to do is just use the link provided, which again is in the description. And then you just need to click through to the products and then go to download RStudio desktop version. And then you go for the free download. And then you select your operating system. As you can see, there's Windows and then there's also the Mac. And then once you have downloaded either, then you will just need to install by clicking next again and then next, and then it will start to install. The same for Mac as well. And then the only difference is with Mac, you just need to drag your RStudio into the applications and then it would be ready to open. And then for the PC, all you would need to do is just find your download in your programs file and then open it, and then there you go. So the first thing you want to do once you're in RStudio is clear the console, which all you need to do is go up to Edit and then go Clear Console. So just for a bit of fun, we're going to start with a little bit of coding, and all we're going to do is print a word, well in this case 2 words, hello world, and all you need to do is type print, then do open bracket, and then in quotation marks just type hello world and press return. So to change the themes, all you need to do is go up to Tools and then select Global Options. Inside Global Options, you actually find there's various options available, but all you need to do is pick Appearance. And then once you clicked on Appearance, you'll see a mock version of code for you to be able to see what the layout would look like. The best one to pick if you're going to be changing themes across all, so say if you're going to go for a dark theme, it's best to stick with the modern one for now. Then you can start selecting all the different ones to sort of see which ones you prefer. There's many different options of colors. As you can see, we've got dark, got different variations on the white background and how the syntax looks. We've got blue background, so it's up to you which one you prefer. I prefer going for the darker background with the sort of the pastel colors because that's just a little bit easier on the eye, so you get less eye fatigue. And then if you need to change back, all you have to do is just go in, hit apply again, and change to different ones. But it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Please leave any comments, and if there's anything you want me to cover in other videos, please let me know. Until next time.